In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the CapCut template not showing problem. If your app isn't displaying templates or the templates tab looks empty, there's a quick workaround that gets you back to creating without waiting on an update or digging through settings. Start by opening any modern web browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type CapCut and open the official CapCut website. This takes you to CapCut's web platform, which often loads the full template library, even when the mobile app doesn't. Using the official site matters because it ensures you're seeing the most up-to-date features and avoids issues caused by cached data in the app. Once you're on the CapCut site, look for the option that says Try Online or Try CapCut Online. It's usually right on the home page and leads you to the web-based editor. Click that, and when prompted, log into your CapCut account. Signing in is important because templates and recommendations are tied to your account. Staying logged out can hide certain features or limit what you can see. Use whichever sign-in method you normally use with CapCut and make sure you complete any quick verification steps if they appear. After you've successfully logged in, you should see a large gallery of templates ready to browse. This is where the magic happens. The online version typically displays a wide range of templates, including trending formats, category-based collections, and seasonal designs. You can scroll through, preview how a template behaves, and open one to start editing right away. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to type keywords or glance at the categories to narrow things down quickly. If the gallery takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds. A stable internet connection helps. If you still don't see templates, double check that you're signed in and that you actually clicked into the online editor from the official site. A quick page refresh after signing in can also prompt the gallery to appear. Once everything loads, you'll notice there are plenty of options to work with, even if your app wasn't showing them earlier. That's all you need to do. By accessing CapCut through the browser, clicking Try Online and logging in, you'll bypass the app's hiccup and see a full set of templates without a problem. Go ahead and pick one you like, preview it, and start creating. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple fix gets you back on track fast.